Hello, it's April from April's Home, and today I'm going to be making a Jello salad. This is a classic Jello salad that my grandma used to make. It is a lime Jello salad with cottage cheese and pineapple. So all you'll need for this is a big box of lime Jello. I'm making a larger recipe because this is for a family dinner. So this is a 6-ounce box of lime Jello, and I have a 24-ounce container of cottage cheese and a 20-ounce container of crushed pineapple. I'm also going to be boiling up 2 cups of water, and then we'll use some additional water as well to get this all mixed up. So I'm going to go ahead now and get out a mixing bowl and empty my Jello into the mixing bowl. I have emptied my 6-ounce box of lime Jello into my mixing bowl here, and I have a whisk. And I've also boiled 2 cups of water here, which I'll now add to the Jello. And I'll go ahead and stir that until the Jello is dissolved. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and stir this until the Jello is completely dissolved. And then I'll come back and share with you the next step. Okay, my Jello is dissolved, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of cool water. And we'll go ahead and stir that. And now I'm going to be adding my can of pineapple. I have drained my can of pineapple. In this recipe, you don't need to reserve the juice. If you have another use for the juice, you can reserve it for another use. But in this case, I just wanted the pineapple drained. So I'm going to go ahead now and add my can of drained pineapple to the Jello. Now we'll go ahead and stir in the pineapple here and get that kind of stirred around. And now we'll go ahead and add our cottage cheese, our 24-ounce container of cottage cheese. And then we'll go ahead and blend this around, and then after that we'll get it in our serving bowl to start chilling. So you can see I've added the cottage cheese, and I'm just going to whisk this together until everything is combined. I don't want to whisk too fast or anything like that. I don't want to create too many bubbles, but I do want to make sure that everything is nicely combined. Once I get this combined, I'll come back and we'll pour it into our serving dish. Because I'm going to be serving this at a dinner during Christmas month, I decided I would go ahead and use this pretty red serving bowl. I also think that this would look really nice in a clear glass serving bowl as well, just depending on the time of the year that you're making this or what bowl you have available. So just a bowl big enough to hold everything here. I'm going to go ahead and get that transferred over now. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to go ahead and whisk it around a little bit more just to make sure that everything is combined now that I've got it in my serving bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and let this chill for quite a few hours, at least probably 4 to 6 hours. Whenever I'm making a Jello dish, I like to either make it the night before or early in the morning if there's going to be dinner later in the evening, so that the Jello has plenty of time to set up. When it's all set up, I'll bring it back and we'll garnish it and get it ready to serve. My cottage cheese lime Jello salad is all set up and ready to garnish, and we'll give it a try. I have set aside a small amount in this bowl here and let that set up so that I can try it tonight. I've got out a little bit of Cool Whip that I will be serving this with. To garnish it, I'm just going to put a little dollop in the center here. Then I've also got out some maraschino cherries, just a couple there, just for a little bit of color. I like to drain them on paper towels after I cut them to soak up some of the red dye so that it doesn't stain the Cool Whip too much. I love it to just be a vibrant red on top of the white Cool Whip. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Cool Whip, garnish this salad, and then we'll go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so I have garnished my cottage cheese lime Jello salad here. It looks really pretty, nice and simple and old-fashioned. A really good classic side dish here. This is something, like I said, my grandma always used to make around the holiday season. Just so you know, I let this Jello salad set up throughout the day. This definitely has been in the fridge for at least 6 hours, so it is nice and set up. I'm going to go ahead and cover this with saran wrap. I'll keep that in the fridge and it'll be ready for our family dinner tonight. I'm really excited to see what the grandkids think and what my kids think of this classic cottage cheese lime Jello salad. So I've got my little bowl here, and I've got some of the cottage cheese lime Jello here with a dollop of Cool Whip there and a little cherry. This is how I will serve it, with either Cool Whip or canned whipped cream. So here we have just a little bit of Cool Whip there with our salad. I'll go ahead now and give this a try. And that has a really good and refreshing flavor. So now I'm going to go ahead too and try just a bite of the salad here without the Cool Whip, just so I can really get the flavor of the cottage cheese and lime jello and pineapple here. And yes, that is really delicious. A very simple Jello salad here and really tasty. I love the unique taste of the cottage cheese with the lime Jello, and the pineapple adds a really good sweetness and flavor. If you follow my channel, you know that I love the flavor of pineapple, so that is a really fun thing to put in this Jello salad here. So that is my old-fashioned cottage cheese lime Jello salad. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at how I made this simple Jello salad recipe, and I hope you give it a try. I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.